I'm gonna start off today's video with the disclosure. If I'm even calling it right. I am trying to fight off a cold. I've had it for a while now. I just recently started taking cough syrup, so my voice gets a little crackly. Overlook me. But today's video, would you guys ever buy a school if you can afford it? Manchester School here is for sale. And it's not all that old either. Well, this side of the school was built in 1985, and the back side was built newer than that. But wow. Let me show you what I see. There's the main doors. Let's go peek through a window, want to? Oh, I can't really see a whole bunch, oh. Okay. Let's walk back around through here. Oh, wow. This is nice, isn't it? Now, would you guys ever, if you can afford a school, ever want to buy one? I mean, let's say money was not an object. You could afford to buy the school, pay the taxes, pay the upkeep. Would you ever buy one? This school has 15.64 acres. Pretty big place. Now, there's an old school that went up for sale some years ago over where I live, and it was bought out. They turned it into some kind of dance studio. Now, somebody will probably buy this and do something similar, I would imagine. But this one's been vacant, I'm guessing, for about almost a year. I know we noticed it last summer that it was no longer a school. Could you imagine the rooms? Doesn't matter how big your family is, you have rooms for everybody. And off there in the distance, I'm not going to get close because I don't know if I should be doing this, but that's the realtors selling the school. And as you can imagine, I don't remember exactly how much they're asking for it, but it's up there, folks. Now, would you ever buy a school if you can afford it? You didn't have to worry about money at all. I would. I would buy this school. I think it'd be kind of cool to live in a school. We even had a conversation about it last year when we noticed the school was vacant and going up for sale. Now, this is the newer side, 2004. It's not that old. Isn't it crazy? I mean, it's not old at all. Huh. Manchester Shiners. That's interesting. Let's walk on down the other end. Got a little butterfly garden right yonder here. That's pretty. That is beautiful. Okay, let's head back where we came from and walk over to the other side. Yeah, when we found out last year that this thing would be going up for sale, we talked about it. We daydreamed about it. I even said, shoot, I will fly my drone down the hallways. I will get a bicycle to get from point A to point B in this school. Endless rooms. You can do anything you want there or in here. You got a parking lot. You can invite 50 people over. Not that I know 50, but we just daydreamed, and just like then, I'm saying it now, I would. If I had the money and I could afford the taxes and upkeep, dang straight I wouldn't mind owning a school. I don't know why. I know it'd be the silliest thing in the world to do, but I would. Now, 2 of my children did go to the school many years ago. I used to park right over yonder there until the teacher came out and opened up the doors for them to go in. Then we moved away from this area and it went to another school. That seems like a lifetime ago to me. My 2 oldest kids. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go look at the back half and do some talking. Then we'll probably close her out. That used to be their baseball field. And right over that way used to be some swing sets and whatnot. When we came here last year to walk Kitt, they had the swing sets over there. But I guess they took them up and put them somewhere they could be used. I didn't hear what the lady said, but I think she might have said hi. Now, there used to be a horse that used to come right up there to that fence and want to say hi to us whenever we came over here. Another entrance to the school, and all this does is go around the back side of the school. But yeah, I used to walk Kitt all the way through there. Just imagine the land alone would be amazing, but to mow it, holy, it would take days. All this land, all the way through there, belongs to the school. It's a lot of land. I mentioned it earlier, how many acres. But shoot. And yeah, you have your own basketball goals. Yeah, if only I had the money, right? Might be the silliest thing to think of. Would I own a school? When I said yes, it might be silly, but folks, I don't know. It's just something about owning a school would be kind of cool. It's not haunted. That'd be cool if it was. And I would imagine it's really nice inside. Room after room after room after room after room. You had the biggest kitchen of all. Yeah, like I said that one day, we daydreamed about it. I talked about flying my drones up and down the hallways, chasing my kids. Talked about getting from point A to point B on a bicycle. A whole gym to myself. I mean, jeez. I could have multiple bedrooms, multiple living rooms if I wanted to. I mean, shoot. And never had to worry about a spot to park. I mean, geez, this is just one parking lot. Over on the other side where I was showing you, there's a parking lot there too. Well, there you go. A newer school up for sale. And would you ever own it if you can afford it? I, for one, would. All right, guys, till next time. I'm gonna go home and take some medicines and maybe do another film adventure tonight. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here.